are burning your bank account to the ground. One single deal where it's $83,681. This homeowner said they wanted Zestimate, more than Zestimate. And you need to stop listening to these gurus and these coaches and these influencers that are out there, because they're the ones that's giving you the wrong information. The wrong information will set you back. The right information will set you free. What's going on, y'all? Eric Cline, and I am here to explain to you why most of the leads that you're talking to, you should be pitching and you prejudge them and just pass them up. Let me explain real quick where a lot of you are missing the money. And it's right here. I say this industry is 70% mindset, 30% skill set. If you are not prepared to have a conversation with every single homeowner that you talk to, you're gonna flop in this industry. Here's the reason why. These homeowners are never, ever, ever, ever gonna tell you exactly what they want for their home. More importantly, a lot of these homeowners don't even know what their home is worth. And I'm gonna explain a deal that we've recently closed on. You can go check Zillow, see when it sold, check the HUD, all that jazz. This is an assignment fee that we closed in my office, and I'm gonna be looking at the screen, so if I look away from the camera, by all means, forgive me. But on this one deal, we made $83,681.63. Here's the kicker. When I go down to the notes of when Run It Remote sent us the lead, and a lot of people will prejudge the leads, look at what the homeowner is asking for, and you don't even call the lead. So I'm gonna read through the notes real quick. This is exactly how the lead got sent to us from Run It Remote. Now, the property has 2 beds, 2 baths. It has a loft, which can be used as a bedroom. This is all in the notes from Run It Remote. There is a leak in the bathroom that has to be fixed. The property is vacant at the moment. The property is in good shape. The client lives in Georgia. I believe the home is in North Carolina. North Carolina, like in the mountains or something like that, right outside Nashville. The property is vacant at the moment. The property is in good shape. Client lives in Georgia. Client is retired and doesn't need the house. I'm just reading the notes, but here's where it gets juicy, where a lot of you will start prejudging this lead. The client mentioned she has discussed this with a realtor, but hasn't called back. The realtor hasn't called back or hasn't called her back. The client can close the deal in a month or so. The client has a ballpark price of $300,000, which is slightly negotiable, while Zestimate, this is where you all mess up. Zestimate on the property is $293,300. Says it right there in the notes. So what a lot of you will do is read that and say, she's not motivated. She wants more than Zestimate. What I know is this lady probably doesn't really know what her home's worth. She's gotten a lot of calls from people in our industry saying, hey, I'll buy your house. I can pay cash as is, all that jazz, right? So as those calls continue to happen, what people like this do, homeowners like this do, that don't know what their home's worth, they're gonna get curious, and they're gonna go, you know what? Everyone keeps asking me, what is my home worth? So they're gonna go and Google the address. And when they Google their address, Zillow pops up. They click on Zillow, and the first thing they're gonna see is Zestimate. So the next number that they give out, 9 times out of 10, is gonna be the Zestimate number or higher. So you people look at that as being unmotivated. I look at it as, oh, they're giving me Zestimate. They don't really know what their home is worth. They're just simply going off of what Zillow says. What's going on, y'all? Hopefully you're getting massive value from this video right here. As I always put out fire content, I want to let everyone know Run It Remote is the official sponsor of the YouTube channel. So if you are looking for highly qualified, highly motivated leads, and you are a wholesaler that are struggling, or you're trying to scale and get to 6 figures, 7 figures, what I want you to do, reach out to Run It Remote. Trained cold callers for wholesalers, by wholesalers, waiting to serve you up the leads you've been desperately waiting for. So click the link below in the description to get started today. Again, going back to what a lot of you will do when a lead like this comes through is you won't even call it. You prejudge the lead, you pass it on, and you're looking for what you think is the motivated seller. All right? So I believe anytime a lead is willing, or a homeowner is willing to hear an offer, that's your job as an acquisition manager. We make offers. The day in the life of an acquisition manager, and any way for you to get momentum in this industry, is making offers all day long, every single day, of people that said, yes, that's my house, I'm willing to sell. Now, what you look for are these severe levels of motivation. You have to understand, these homeowners are getting calls out of the blue from complete strangers. They're never going to lower their guard in a matter of 3 to 5 minutes on a phone call with a cold calling company and just spill the beans of how motivated they are or what they're really willing to take for this house. So when we called up the homeowner, and again, referring back to my CRM, because I'm going to show you the CRM. I'm actually going to click this right now. I'm going to open it up, and you're going to see this deal right here. Closed. This is the deal we locked up for $300. We sold it, assigned it. I believe this one might have been on novations. We did it for $335,000 on 8/13/2025. Just a couple months ago, we closed on this deal. Over $83,000 hit the bank account for us when this deal closed. How many of you would have passed this lead up? And you need to be honest with yourself. How many of you need to go back to your leads, the ones that you prejudged and you read those notes, or the owner said, I want Zestimate for the house, or I want a little bit more than Zestimate, and you said, sorry, we're investors, we don't pay retail. Sorry, we don't overpay for houses. Or right in the beginning of the phone call, you say, how did you get that number? And they said, well, I Googled my property and Zestimate says $293,000. That's what I want. And you tried arguing with them right out the rip. Rather than just simply tell them, you know what? Your number's your number. My job as an acquisitions manager is to get you as much money as humanly possible. Heck, if I can get you $600,000 for the house, I will. But that's not up to me. It's up to my underwriters. What my job here today is to do is to have a conversation with you. One, see if there's some synergy on working with us. We buy properties for one of two reasons. We're either going to buy it, fix it, and flip it, or we're going to buy it, fix it, and rent it. But by the end of this call, Mrs. Homeowner, this is what I can promise you. Based off the conversation we have today and the way you describe the property in its current condition, it's either going to be approved for an offer or denied, and I'll give you the reason why. But we don't argue in the beginning of a phone call. So when you look at this lead right here, and again, this is the house. It's already closed and funded, so none of y'all can go snake the deal from us. This property right here, she wanted $300,000 for it. I'm going to show it on the video. You should be looking at it right now. But when you look at what we locked the deal up for, we locked this property up for $217,000. So I'm pulling my phone out right now and I'm going to do the math, right? She wanted $300,000 minus $217,000. We locked that house up for $83,000 under what she said she would take. $83,000. Think about that for a second. She got a call out of the blue from a VA company, Run It Remote, but it could be any VA company. Run It Remote's just the one we use. But any VA company, cold calling company, could have reached out to this homeowner. And think about all the leads that you get in your CRM, or in your spreadsheet that you look at and you go, not motivated. That is you prejudging a lead, walking away. Think about this for a second, because I can show you a full CRM of countless deals where they said they wanted X, and we got it between $40,000, $50,000, $60,000, $70,000, $100,000 under what they said they would take. It's walk a day in the life of one of these homeowners. In the beginning, not interested in selling their house at all. They start getting phone calls. Bring, bring, hello, you want to sell your house? Whoever's calling them. Dude, there's tens of thousands of people all over the United States trying to get to these homeowners. First call, not interested. Second call, not interested. Third call, not interested. Time and circumstances show up in somebody's life. Fourth call, you know what? I'm going to listen to this one. Yes, I am interested in potentially selling my house. What will you offer me? Great question. Let me ask you a couple questions about the house. Are you interested in selling? Yes. Will you do it in 6 months or less? Yes. How much do you want? Not sure. You make the offer first. That's call number 4. Then they get another call. Are you interested in selling your house? Yes, I'm interested in selling my house. Awesome. We close quick, cash. Everything they're used to hearing these cold callers or VA companies say, right? Now, fifth call, sixth call, they're like, you know what? They all keep asking me, how much do I want for my house? How much? I don't know what my house is worth. I bought this thing 15 years ago. I don't know what it's worth. A lot of these homeowners are not educated on what the real estate market does. It's not their forte. It's not their arena. So what do? They type into Google, 123 Main Street. Pops up, Zestimate. That's how much I'm going to tell the next person I want for my house. Not having a clue what Zestimate really even means. So Zestimate, for all of you that are watching this video and you're taking the homeowner's word for it, that's how much they want, when really they don't know. They're just simply doing the best that they can do with the resources that they have on how much do I want for my house. Everyone keeps asking them this one question: how much do you want? They do not know. So Zestimate is the price tag they're going to start giving everybody. What do? Every time I hear somebody say they want Zestimate or somewhere right around that number, first things that pops through my head is they're uneducated. So what is my job? My job is to educate them first, find out why they're even on the phone with me, get them to like me, trust me, want to do business with me, and then I'm going to get their property qualified or denied. When it gets qualified, I'm going to make them an offer. When I make them an offer, by the time I get there, I now have somebody on the phone where I put through a way different experience than any of the newbies or amateurs out there in this industry would put them through. Because in the very beginning, when somebody hears Zestimate, the number Zestimate, what they do is they try and justify it, they try and argue it, and they burn the lead. The homeowner puts their guard up, and they want to go no further with you. So in the very beginning, this is what I can tell everybody out there for this Zestimate number where you all keep prejudging these leads. You are burning your bank account to the ground. I'm showing you one single deal where it's $83,681. This homeowner said they wanted Zestimate, more than Zestimate. Understand. And you need to stop listening to these gurus and these coaches and these influencers that are out there, because they're the ones that's giving you the wrong information. The wrong information will set you back. The right information will set you free. Zestimate is a positive. It's a plus. When you get a homeowner on the phone and they say they want Zestimate, that should be the exact lead that you are looking for. If I can just change the way you think about these leads, the success will come. But what you guys have been trained and unfortunately brainwashed to do is that anytime you hear Zestimate, you look at that lead as not motivated. They're not going to do a deal with me. They're going to want too much. So you simply pass on and go to the next. When you start spinning to win, and what I mean by that is you just start spinning through your leads and you're looking for only the ones that have a little bit of motivation or a high motivation level, you're passing up on all the good deals. Here's why. Because nobody's talking to these ones right here. So when you get somebody on and you actually treat them well, you treat them like a human being that actually wants to sell their home, you give them the time, you give them the attention, and you put them through an experience, I can assure you, they will do a deal with you. So, the moral of my story here today for all of you, the reason you're not having success is because you're listening to the wrong info. Zestimate the offer. If they say, I want Zestimate, understand you have a quality, verified, motivated lead on the telephone that if you educate first, get them to like you, trust you, want to do business with you, and make an offer after the property has been qualified, you will soon be getting more deals than your competition. Do not prejudge. It will be the death of you. That is the reason a lot of you are taking 60 days, 90 days, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months to get your first deal, because you think you actually know who's on the other end of the line rather than just loving the one you're with if they're willing to give you their time and attention. Zestimate is a good thing. It's not a bad thing. And for all of you out there that think it ain't a real deal, there's the HUD right there. You're going to see right here. Cash at closing. This is it, $85,681.63. So a lot of people say, Eric, you don't ever show checks, because they wire it straight to the account. I don't go pick checks up. I don't want checks sent to me. I want the transaction to be 100% virtual, meaning I don't want to leave my office. I generate leads virtually. I do the deals virtually, and I get paid virtually. That's the dollar amount right there you saw in my CRM, $85,681.63. And you will see here, that is the deal, baby. So, I got receipts. Hey, what's going on? I want to congratulate you for making it to the end. What does that mean? You're in the 1% club. No one else stuck around. You did. What I want you to do is subscribe. More importantly, comment below. That way I know exactly who you are and we can get to know one another. Every single week, by you turning your notifications on, you're not going to miss the sales training that's going to keep you in this 1% club. Comment below, subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next video. Let's continue to refuse to lose.